Hello, this is Frank from BMW Auto Parts. Today we are going to talk about one famous popular crankshaft over kit for BMW N20 and N26. As we all know, it is more convenient to buy the whole kit from one supplier because, for example, if you want to buy a piston from one factory, crankshaft from another factory, and all these components from different places, it will be very difficult and dangerous because the after-sales service is not good for different. They prefer to do the kickball games. So now today we come to BMW. We can combine all the components and sell to you. And if it really need problems, you can only come to us and we solve all the problems for you. Okay, so now first let's introduce this. You can see the biggest one item. This is the crankshaft. This crankshaft is made from the high quality cast iron and is from the OE factories. You know, the surface hardness is above 50 to 55 HRC. It's very strong. And you can look at here on the upper left. It's a timing chain kit. You will see 2 timing chains, 3 timing gears, 2 tensioners, and 3 timing guides. Now, next we are talking about a very famous and very important component called engine bearing. This is main bearing and that is connecting rod bearings. This bearings is also produced from one OE factories. These factories produce the engine bearing to muffler and fibermogul, so we can get this engine bearing. Now you will see the shiny pistons. This pistons is made from high quality aluminum. In China we called AL109. And we also sometimes we use OE materials to make the piston more strong. Of course, beside the pistons, you will see the piston rings and connecting rods. These 4 connecting rods are made from the forged steel, also very good quality. And here is cylinder head bolts. Of course, you will see the second biggest part is multi-layer head gaskets, stainless. The rest of the oil seals, O-rings, and valve cover gasket, of course the valve stem and the crankshaft seals, they are also produced with high quality material, so it can resist the heat and corrosion. Very long life, use life. And you will see for these crankshaft seals, this is the bigger one is rear, the smaller one is front. Both of these oil seals is made from FKM material, the top quality for the gaskets, for the seals. Okay, thank you. Now today we talk about this BMW crankshaft overhaul kit. So, our company's integrity, strength, and product quality have been recognized by the whole industry, and most of our overseas customers around the world also recognized our quality, service, and so on. So welcome to our company, BMW Auto Parts, and we can talk business. Thank you.